Hello, you're looking at my Jabra headphones. These headphones still work perfectly, but unfortunately this little leather cover there, or vinyl cover, has started to come away, which makes it look a little bit untidy, I suppose. They still work fine. So what I'm going to do today is replace that, that foam ear cup on this headphones. So all you need to do then is just remove it. Just keep pulling until you get that off. Just sort of firm, but not firm so you're going to break anything. There we go. The top covers off, and then just remove that foam piece. That's just glued on. It's just glued on. So come around and remove that. Put those to one side, and you're left with a little bit of foam there, but that doesn't matter, and that's where the sound comes through the center there. And so what I've got is I've got these two bought a pair replacement ear cups for these headphones. So I'll just be doing one for this demonstration, and you can see that's the front there where that sits next to your ear like that, and then at the back there's this little sort of a circular area, a little sort of a lip there, and with that lip I'm going to be putting it over that thin sort of piece of plastic which is part of the ear cups. And let's just have a look at the sizes. So the diameter there is about 55 millimeters, 5.5 centimeters is the diameter, and then the diameter here at the back is fairly similar, 5.5. The whole width is about 6.5, which is the 6.5 centimeters that I bought it, and then the width there is about 5.5. So I just need to buy one that's probably a little bit bigger than what you would initially think. Okay, so all I need to do then is to put that lip over that little piece of plastic there, and you know, the final result will be the ear cup there on the head set like that. Probably try to put it on top here where the header, the piece that goes over your head is, because that kind of gets in your way. And then all you need to do, maybe get some little screwdrivers perhaps, and carefully loop that over. It's obviously careful that you don't damage the ear cup when you do this. Okay, that's taken a couple of minutes of fiddling there, but I finally got that padded ear cup onto this headset, and you can see if you look carefully on there, it's looped then around that on the other side of that flat bit of plastic, and there we go. There we go. That's a repaired Jabra headphones. I can, if I want to, I can replace that so they're matching. I've got a second one over here that I'll do that, but there we go. So that's that pair cost me around $8, and a new set of headphones was well over $100. So that's yeah, that's a good saving and quite a simple fix. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye for now.